The number n is a two-digit number. When n is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. When n is divided by 10, the remainder is 3. What is the remainder when n is divided by 11? A. 0. B. 2. C. 4. D. 5. E. 7. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with the second clue. When n is divided by 10, the remainder is 3. That simply means n ends in the digit 3. So n is 1 of 13, 23, 33, all the way up to 93. Now use the first clue. When n is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. Testing our candidates. 73 works, because 73 equals 8 times 9 plus 1. So n is 73. Finally, divide 73 by 11. 6 times 11 is 66. And 73 minus 66 is 7. So the remainder when n is divided by 11 is 7. The remainder is 7. The answer is 7.